Hi there, welcome to JavaScript Fundamentals for Absolute Beginners. I am Dev Diva and I have been working as a programmer for over 6 years now. I am super excited for you to join this tutorial. This tutorial is perfect for absolute beginners. No prior programming experience, HTML or CSS knowledge is required. You don't even need to install any special software to get started. Whether you want to become JavaScript developer, web developer, front-end developer, or plan to work with frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a solid foundation in JavaScript. Let's take a quick look at what we will cover in this tutorial. We will start by understanding basic concepts like values, variables, and fundamental data types, such as strings, numbers, booleans, null, and undefined. Next, we will dive into typecasting and equality comparisons. You will get familiar with crucial concepts like coercion and the differences between loose and strict equality in JavaScript. In the next chapter, we will explore objects, learning how to create them, modify them, and work with them. You will also get to know the JSON format, which is widely used in web development. After that, we will move on to arrays, which are collections of data. You will learn about many useful array methods like filtering, sorting, finding, and removing items from arrays. Next, we will cover the essential topics of control flow, where you will learn how to use if-else statements, create loops, and control the flow of your code. Then, we will tackle another core concept in programming, functions. Understanding functions will allow you to organize your code into reusable pieces, which is key to building big projects. Throughout this tutorial, you will get to practice each concept with over 30 practical exercises, complete with step-by-step video solutions to reinforce what you have learned. I have also included quizzes to test your theoretical knowledge. Finally, we will bring everything together in a coding challenge project to test your skills. And don't worry, step-by-step video solutions are provided. I hope you are as excited as I am to start your journey with JavaScript. See you in the next lesson!